decision your exceptions, you will first need to click on Services and then Positive Pay. Once you are in the Positive Pay screen, you may decision your items here, or you can branch out to the full Positive Pay site by clicking on Launch Advanced Options. This will cause a new window to open. From here, you will click on Exception Processing and Quick Exception Processing. After clicking on Quick Exception Processing, you can choose to pay or return your exception. Upon hitting Pay or Return, you need to select the reason for the decision. After you do that, you will just hit Save. It will then show your decision exception on the left-hand side. You can add ACH authorization rules one of two ways in Positive Pay. After choosing to pay an item, you can click on Add Rule. That will then pre-fill the information here, and you can add a description if you would like, and you can add or edit a max allowable amount. From there, you just hit Save Rule. The second way to add an ACH authorization rule is to go to System Reports and ACH Authorization Rules. From there, you will need to choose the account, the description, the company ID, the appropriate SEC code, debits, and if you would like, you can put a max allowable amount. From there, you just hit Save Changes. You can add checks in Positive Pay one of two ways. Under Transaction Processing, you can hit Submit Issued Check File. From there, you will need to choose your file of which to upload, choose the correct account ID, the correct processing type, the date, and then hit Process File. The other way to add a check is to go to Add New Issued Check under Transaction Processing, enter in the account ID, the check number, the amount, the issued date, and the issued payee. From there, you click Add Check. If you need to remove a check from Positive Pay, you will click on Void a Check under Transaction Processing. Choose the correct account, enter in the check number, the check amount, and the issued date. From there, you will click Find Matching Check, verify the check that will be voided, and click on Void a Check button to complete the process.